Students, so today we are going to discuss about function declaration and category of functions and no argument and no return values. So this is a function. So as we have already seen, there are four categories of function which we can use. Among that first one we are going to see how to declare a function with no argument and no return type. So within the main program, control or execution of the program always starts with main. Within the main we have to declare the function name. Just a declaration has to be done. We did not give any statements to this function. And you can write any additional statements within the main and close the main, and before the main we write the function definition. That is, the statements which are related to this my function can be written outside the main. We generally write this before the main. Now the computer will start executing from the main. So this is the first line of execution. Then it comes over here, it sees the declaration of this. From here it goes to the function definition. So it goes from here to here. So now again execution will start from here. This line will be executed, then close to. After this it returns back to the main and start executing the statements after the function declaration. So the last statement which is declared executed is this one. So in this way control will move between the statements, and whatever thing is present within the function, that will be executed. So here we don't see any, the parentheses are empty here. That means there are no arguments within this. There are no variables within this. And there is no return statement within this function. We didn't write any return some value over here. So there is no return statement and no arguments. So this is a function of type first one. A function with no argument and no return type. So this is how we declare the first type function. So we have seen the declaration of function as part of the summary. And you can see function which calls itself is called as self function, auto function, recursive function or static function. So just analyze the answer, student. So let us see the answer. So answer is recursive function. A function which calls itself is called as a recursive function. And we have used this concept in the factorial also, in the factorial program. Lecture outcome revisited. After completing the discussion, you will be able to develop programs using function. And this is a sample lecture level question. Program to count the number of vowels and consonants in the program using functions. So by using functions, we can also write programs for strings. Thank you.